Good job, boys. It's your boy GCAD, and I'm back at it with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all boys how to keep her interested in you, even after you pulled her. You need to know, bruh, is the job is not over with. Just because you initially got her interested in you, now you gotta keep her interested in you. Now you gotta keep her interested in you. So the job is not over, y'all boys. One, bruh. First and foremost, make her feel chosen, not. Don't look. Make her feel like you choose her. Don't let her get too comfortable. Don't let her think that her spot is just always secured and you just wrapped around her finger. This is gonna bore her a little bit. Don't let her get too complacent. Don't let her feel like her spot is OD secure. Let her know that you choose her over and over again. I don't care how many times you gotta do it. You always gotta let her know that you choose her. Let her get too comfortable, cause then this gonna lose the spark. This gonna make it too boring. She gonna start trying you, and she gonna start thinking that she can just get away with anything. Always let her know that at any moment you could up and leave, my boys. Never stop working on yourself. Even that, like say you do all this, you tryna go to the gym, you tryna make videos, you tryna have ambition, you tryna do something with your life, just so you can get the attention of a girl and you can show her, and then you stop doing it. Don't do that. Make sure you always got something going for yourself. Like, don't stop working on yourself. Like whatever you did to help yourself pull her, don't stop doing it just because you pulled her. The job is not done. It's not finished. So keep on doing everything you was doing before you had her. Keep on working on yourself. Working on your own goals. Number 3, but this kind of ties in number 2. But always have your own aspirations. Always keep your own life interesting. Stick to your hobbies. Stick to your goals. And always be working towards something. You should always be working towards something. Trying to improve yourself. You should be trying to work towards your goals. You should have some aspirations and goals in life anyway. But always have your own junk going on beyond your dating life. Always follow your aspirations. You should have aspirations as a man. Girls like dudes with aspirations. Girls like seeing dudes that they think gonna go somewhere in life. So that's a great tip right there, y'all boys. Always have your own aspirations and never stop working towards your own aspirations. Oh, bro, even if you're not cheating, don't let her know your whereabouts 24/7. This is gonna once again let her get too comfortable. Sometimes you gotta let her wander what you be doing at such and such time. You not text her back, but in reality you could just be working towards your goals. Like I said, you don't gotta update her 24/7 on what you doing at 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock, when you going to bed, when you finna go eat. Let her always have her wondering. You always want her to wonder what you're doing. That's gonna make her think about you, and that's gonna keep her interested in you. Don't always let her know what you're doing all day. Like I said, even if you're not cheating on her, you could just be working towards your goals. You could be working out or exercising or practicing basketball if that's what you want to do all day. But don't let her know that. She don't got to know every little detail about your life. Number 5. Always don't try to make it to where you know everything about her and there's nothing else to learn about her. Always keep trying to learn more and more about her. Always support her in her goals and her journey, like and her passions. Support her in her struggles, and always be asking questions. Like, always try to make it to where you can learn something new about her, so it don't get dull and boring. Number 6, bro. Don't let things get too routine and boring. What I mean by this tip is try to keep the spark alive in your relationship. Don't let the spark die down. You gotta make sure you trying to create inside jokes with her. Keep on flirting even though you pulled her already. You gotta keep things playful, keep things flirtatious, and basically don't let the spark die down. Let things just get too routine to the point where y'all talking about the same junk every day, and it ain't nothing to spice it up. You gotta keep flirting with her, keep things playful, and tease her. Inside jokes, all that help with keeping it from getting boring. Number 7, bro. You gotta surprise her sometimes. It's like surprise her on occasion. Don't let her get too. Don't. Just, this is kind of going on with the last one. This kind of continuing with the last one. Not letting things get too routine. Sometimes you gotta surprise her. It don't gotta be nothing overly big, overly trim, overly crazy. It don't gotta be nothing like that all the time. But you could just leave her a note. You know, give her a text in the morning that you don't usually send her. Like, you gotta spice it up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get her a favorite bag of chips. Sometimes, go on a unplanned date, spontaneous type. You gotta do unplanned things. Because girls like spontaneous dudes. Girls like adventure and experience. You gotta make sure you can offer her a new experience. This kind of number 8. Always try to offer her new experiences that her last, or she basically just try to offer her new experience that she ain't never had before. Try to take her places she ain't never went before. Do stuff for her she ain't never do. You know what I'm saying? Buy her junk she ain't never had, or bro, just stuff like that. I ain't saying just buy her everything, spoil her overly, and she ain't doing nothing for you. But I'm saying though, you gotta try to make it to where you is the first. You the first dude that she done did this with, and you the first dude that did this for her, and try to like just do stuff that just give her new experiences. Always be a good listener. This is very important. You always gotta be a good listener. Don't always just talk to respond. You gotta listen. If she tell you something, you should remember it. Like if she tell you her favorite color, you can mention that in another conversation, and that's gonna show her that you a good listener. Always be a good listener. If she got to vent to you about if her day going bad, or something happened at work, or something happened at school, or in math class or whatever, you gotta be a listening ear for her. If she got to vent to you, gang, just let her vent to you, gang. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, make sure you always is there for her. But that's what I'm trying to say. Bro. Always make sure you have talks with her. Don't just make everything small talk and, oh, yo, what you doing? Text her, what you doing? None of that, bro. Always try to make sure you have a lot of deep conversations with her so you can learn more about her as a person. She can learn more about you as a person. Don't just be that one dude that she talked to and y'all just be talking about nonsense all the time, 24/7, cracking jokes, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it's cool to be funny with her, but you got to make sure to have a lot of deep conversations with her as well. A lot of thoughtful, meaningful conversations. Because that's going to help build y'all connection. Well, these some bonus tips at the end of the video. First bonus tip, bro, is always make sure she don't lose respect for you. She always got to respect you. Because if she respect you, that's what's going to make her not cheat on you. If she respect you enough, she not going to cheat on you. That's going to keep her interested in you if she always respect you. If it's a boundary that need to be set, set it, bro. If it's something that need to be said, say it. If she trying to test you, don't fall for the test. Be tender. Just always make sure she respect you. And second bonus tip of the day, bro, is give her space to miss you. Say y'all linked and y'all had a vibe. When y'all had a good vibe. You was making her laugh or whatever. Last time you seen her, don't try to hit her line afterwards and be like, oh, I'm trying to see you tomorrow and the day after that and the day after that. You got to give her space to miss you. Give her space to miss the connection that y'all got. Give her space to miss you. That's a very important one. Don't be overly clingy. As soon as you leave her house, you trying to see her again. You trying to link again, OD fast. No, you got to chill. You got to give her space to miss you and then re-enter, gang. But anyways, y'all boys, that's the end of the video. Like, subscribe, comment on it a bit. Like, subscribe, comment, send it to your partner who need it, because you got a partner who need it. And yeah, and don't forget it. But yeah, I hope y'all boys learned something from this video.